Unlock your Amazon success with Automator. Welcome to our deep dive into Automator, the tool designed to supercharge your Amazon business journey. Let's unlock your e-commerce potential together today. Automator simplifies your Amazon store management, reducing time spent on repetitive tasks. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to boosting your business efficiency. The tool provides real-time analytics, offering insights into sales trends and customer preferences. Make data-driven decisions with confidence, knowing you're always one step ahead. Imagine optimizing your product listings effortlessly. Automator uses advanced algorithms to enhance your visibility, ensuring your products are seen by the right audience. Inventory management becomes a breeze with automated stock tracking. Avoid the dreaded out-of-stock scenario and keep your customers happy with consistent availability. Pricing strategies can make or break your sales. Automator dynamically adjusts prices to stay competitive, maximizing your profit margins without the manual hassle. Customer engagement is key to building loyalty. This tool helps automate personalized communication, ensuring every customer feels valued and heard, boosting repeat business. With built-in advertising tools, Automator streamlines your marketing campaigns. Target the right audience efficiently, increasing your reach and driving more traffic to your store. Security is paramount in e-commerce. Rest easy knowing Automator offers robust security features, safeguarding your business data and ensuring a trustworthy platform for growth. Unlock your full Amazon potential with Automator, transforming the way you do business. Start today and watch your e-commerce dreams become a reality.